Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today we're going to be looking at the AF activation function, or back button AF as many of you will know it. So back button AF, or using the AF on button for focusing, is something that I've had set up on my cameras for many years. It's something that a fellow photographer introduced me to. And it's something that over the years I've trained my muscle memory to work with, and if I don't use the AF on, or if it's turned off for some reason, then it feels slightly alien. Now, back in the days of the D800, the D850, where the autofocus points were largely grouped in the center of the sensor, quite often I had my camera set up to single shot AF, AFS, and if a subject was off center, I had to focus the camera and then recompose. And using the back button AF for that, the AF on button, it was really useful because I could focus using that button, hold it down and move the camera to recompose. With modern mirrorless cameras, one of the advantages is the sensor points are distributed pretty much over the whole of the sensor, and therefore there's less need to recompose. And actually, by doing the single shot recomposing, we run the risk of moving the camera in such a way that we get slightly out of focus. Now, back button autofocus is just as useful with continuous autofocus, AFC, because what you can do is you can focus the camera using the back button, keep it depressed, and if you move slightly, the camera will continuously refocus to keep your subject in focus. It's something that I found really useful, and it's set up by default in the camera, but if you want to change the settings, or you want to check the settings, you go to the custom settings menu, look for A7 AF activation, and when you go into there, you've got two options. The first one is shutter stroke AF on, and with that you can either depress the shutter down halfway to focus, or you can press the AF on button, which is on the back of the camera. So you've got the option of both. The second option is AF on only, so you depress the AF on button to focus, and then you press the shut button to release the shutter. So as I say, I find back button autofocus really useful. I've got it really ingrained into my muscle memory, and without it, it feels slightly alien. Let me know in the comments below if you're using AF on, how you find it useful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell below, and you'll be notified of future videos. And I look forward to seeing you in a future video.